Starting a business is challenging, but it can be done. It requires a great deal of effort, focus, and persistence. This does not exclude someone from starting their own company and earning a living, either. Starting a company may be done in a variety of ways. In this video, we'll take a look at a step-by-step guide to starting a business. Starting a business involves planning, making crucial financial opinions, and completing a series of legit conditioning. Watch the full video to get to know about each step. Number 1. Conduct request exploration. Request exploration will tell you if there's an occasion to turn your eidolon into a prosperous business. It's an express way to collect information about implicit guests and companies formerly operating in your area. Exercise that information to detect a competitive advantage for your business. Request exploration blends consumer gestate and profitable trends to confirm and ameliorate your business eidolon. It's pivotal to understand your consumer base from the onset. Request exploration lets you reduce pitfalls indeed, while your business is still precisely a radiance in your eye. Collect demographic information to understand openings and terminations for gaining guests. This could carry population data on time, substance, blood, interests, or anything differently that applies to your business. Number 2. Write your business plan. Your business plan is the foundation of your business. It's a road map for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. You'll exercise it to move people that working out with you, or inoculating in your company is a smart liberty. An effective business plan helps you at every step of beginning and running your company. You'll exercise your business plan as a road map for how to structure, run, and grow your new business. It's an expressway to suppose through the crucial rudiments of your business. Business plans can support you get backing or bring on new business mates. Investors want to feel confident they'll know a return on their investment. Number 3. Fund your business. Your business plan will support you figure out how important plutocrats you'll need to start your business. However, you'll need to either elevate or adopt the capital, if you do not have that quantum on phase. Fortunately, there are more ways than ever to detect the capital you need. Determine how important backing you will need. Every business has non-identical requirements, and no fiscal result is one size fit. Your particular financial situation and the unreality of your business will fashion the fiscal future of your business. Once you see how important incipiency backing you'll want, it's time to figure out how you'll get it. Number 4. Pick your business position. Your business position is one of the most important opinions you'll make. Whether you're setting up a slip-up, mortar business or founding an online store, the elections you make could affect your levies, legit conditions, and profit. Where you detect your business depends in portion on the position of your prey request, business mates, and your particular preferences. In extension, you should call the charges, advantages, and circumscriptions of non-identical government agencies. Number 5. Take a business structure. The legit structure you take for your business will impact your business enrollment conditions, how important you pay in levies, and your particular commodity. You will need to take a business structure before you register your business with the country. Utmost companies will also need to get a duty ID number and train for the applicable consents and permits. Take precisely. While you may convert to a non-identical business structure in the future, there may be circumscriptions grounded on your position. This could also affect duty consequences and unplanned dissolution, among other complications. Consulting with business counselors, attorneys, and accountants can establish helpfully. Number 6. Take your business name. It's not ready to pick the full name. You will want one that embodies your personality and your brand. You'll also want to make sure your business name isn't formerly being exercised by someone different. Once you settle on a name you like, you need to cover it. There are 4 non-identical ways to register your business name. Each express way of registering your name serves a non-identical purpose, and some may be fairly needed depending on your business structure and position. Reality name protects you in a country's position. Trademark protects you in a civil position. Serving business as DBA doesn't give legit security, but it might be fairly needed. Sphere name protects your business website address. Each of these name enrollments is fairly independent. Utmost fragile companies try to exercise the same name for each sort of enrollment, but you're not typically needed to. Number 7. Register your business. Once you've picked the full business name, it's time to make it legit and cover your brand. However, you'll need to register with the civil government, and perhaps your country's government, if you're serving business under a name non-identical to your own. Your position and business structure determine how you'll need to register your business. Determine those procurators first, and enrollment becomes veritably straightforward. For utmost fragile companies, registering your business is as simple as registering your business name with the country and original governments. In some cases, you do not need to register at all. However, you won't need to register anywhere if you guide the business as yourself utilizing your legit name. But flashback, if you do not register your business, you could miss out on particular in-commodity security, legit advantages, and duty advantages. Number 8. Get civil and country duty IDs. You'll exercise your employer identification number, EIN, as an important way to start and grow your business, like opening a bank account and paying levies. It's like a gregarious screen number for your business. Some, but not all, countries bear you to get a duty ID as well. Your employer identification number, EIN, is your civil duty ID. You need it to pay civil levies, hire workers, open a bank account, and apply for business consents and permits. The want for a country duty ID number ties directly to whether your business must pay country levies. Occasionally, you can exercise country duty ID figures for other places, like security against identity larceny for sole possessors. Duty scores differ in the country and original situations, so you will need to check your country's websites. Number 9. Apply for consent and permits. By being reasonably biddable, you may keep your firm operating smoothly. Depending on your assiduity, country, position, and other procurators, you may require different permissions and licenses for your firm. The approval and licenses you need from the nation, the county, or the megacity will depend on your industry and financial standing. The costs of your business license will also change. Compared to the civil government, nations often monitor a wide variety of conditions. As an example, locally restricted business conditions are those for deals, building, dry cleaning, husbandry, plumbing, cafes, retail, and dealing motors. Number 10. Open a business bank account. You may handle legal, obligatory, and daily effects with the aid of a delicate business courting account. If you have the necessary enrollments and documentation prepared, the good news is that you can put one up right now. Once you have your civil EIN, you may create a business bank account. Most commercial bank accounts include extras not included with a standard issue personal account. Find a transaction with reasonable costs and advantageous terms. Some company owners create a business account at the same financial institution they use for their personal accounts. Rates, freight, and alternatives differ from bank to bank, so shop about to make sure you get the lowest rates and the most fashionable benefits. That's it for this video. Hope you find it informative. Make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.